Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Ken Westerfeld, and we were up to Lake George, and we had a great trip with Austin's Charters on Lake George, and we caught lots of fish. We learned how to ice fish. I took the family. We stayed at Six Flags Great Escape Lodge. We had a great time. And Austin's charters were recommended to me by Justy Joe Charters Captain Joe Greco because I was supposed to go with him and things didn't work out for our schedules. So here we go. Me.
Hello.
So we're doing another catch and cook here, folks. And we caught lake trout on Saturday up in Lake George. And here we have a couple nice lake trout fillets. And I just wanted to pause a brief second because, this particular recipe, grilling fish in foil, even with these particular ingredients, really can be used on any number of fish fillets. It does not have to be specifically lake trout, or it could be any trout. It could be just about any fish. So I just wanted to pass that on to the audience and let you know that this is a universal way of preparing fish that's delicious and works great for just about any fish at all. Side in aluminum foil, and all I did was wipe them off nicely, right? You don't want to really run them underwater. So you take paper towels, you pat them dry, you get any schmutz that's on there off. And then I chopped fresh dill and I added butter. And my wife put some garlic, generous helpings of garlic. And then just for additional compliment, we put some sliced mushrooms in there to kind of steam and poach with the fish. And I'm going to close this package up and I'm going to put it on the grill. And we'll probably squeeze some of that fresh lime on there too when we're done, so you get a good look at that. And then the other thing I did with our lake trout fillets was, see right there. Okay, so they're 2 Ziploc bags and they are brining. And I am brining them for smoking because I love smoked fish. Everybody in my house loves the smoked trout, and my neighbors and friends. So this is very popular, and if you look in the stores, it's like super expensive. It's like $16 for one little trout fillet, and these are lake trout, so they're considerably larger. Like a small specimen is 4 pounds, and we actually had one almost 11 pounds. So this is going to be a really fine meal. We're looking forward to this, and now I'm going to get it on the grill. Oh, my wife just gave me the sign. That's Hella Westerfeld, by the way, folks. My better half, my one and only. And we're going to put some lemon slices on there for effect and a little additional zingy flavor. All right, so we'll cut back to this again when it's done, and we'll show you the finished product, and we'll be right back. All right, folks, so there it is. The finished lake trout, grilled lake trout.
It smells delicious.
In a foil package on the Weber grill. And what did I give that? Maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes, 12 the most. And all you really want to see is that the fish is done all the way through, that it flakes apart. It certainly does, very easily. So it's done nicely, and it's very aromatic from the dill and the generous garlic and the lemon. And we're going to tear into this now, and we'll let you know how it turns out. So there it is on the plate. Grilled lake trout with dill, garlic, and lemon. Mushrooms. A fresh avocado with pink Himalayan sea salt, fresh cracked pepper, and Greek fish sauce, lemon and
tabbouleh.
Lemon and extra virgin olive oil, and tabbouleh, made by the tabbouleh master.
Yes. Which is bulgur wheat that you just let it stand in water, don't have to cook, and then you dress up with olive oil, salt, red onions. The red onions you let it sit in red vinegar for a couple of hours, and then you put it in. And most important, mint. Mint is what adds the best taste. Oh, and then
fresh
lemon.
chopped mint.
And lemon.
And lemon.
That's
right.
it.
And that's it. Delicious. All right, and there's mine. Not quite as pretty, but it's going to be great. Try the fish.
Cooked to perfection. Oh no, so good.
Is it as good as the campfire? Yeah?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Excellent.
Yummy.
All right, so that's it. Lake trout on the grill with some goodies. Trying to eat healthy. All right, folks, we'll see you soon.